The first is Chandra Vedana. This is very good to remove or release the stress. For this pranayama, we can adopt Chin Mudra, and we use your also adopt. This is called Nasika Mudra. Your first index finger and second finger fold, and others are open. Then you can close your right nostril and deep inhalation through the left nostril. Slow and steady. Do it and inhale. Then you can close your left nostril with your ring finger. Then exhale through the right. Repeat this again. Inhale through the left nostril, then exhale through the right. You can do it more times, 5 or 10 times you can do it. This is very good for you to give more cool in your body and remove the stresses. The next is Surya Bhedana. It is, we can practice the same mudra, Chin Mudra, we can adopt, and Nasika Mudra. But we start with the right nostril with the deep and steady inhalation, slow and steady inhalation. Then we close the nostril, then release the left nostril and exhale through the left nostril. Again we start with right nostril, inhale, then exhale through the left. Again inhale and exhale through the left nostril. Those want to reduce the fat, excess fat, do this pranayama is good. And those are suffering high BP, avoid this Surya Bhedana pranayama. Next is the Nadi Shuddhi pranayama. Nadi Shuddhi we can do with the beginner, do with the proportion like 1:1:1. That proportion is, you can inhale the breath how many counts, then you can hold the breath that much count and release through the nostril with the same count. Nadi Shuddhi pranayama start with the left nostril with the inhalation and hold the breath, then exhale through the right nostril. Again we can inhale through the right nostril, then exhale through the left nostril. This is the one cycle. So we can do it 9 times, 10 times, or many times. As per your time and capacity you can do it. And when the time of practicing pranayama, there is 3 processes are involved. One is inhalation, retention, then exhalation. Uraga, Kumbhaga, Rajaga. So this retention or Kumbhaga, those are suffering more stress and high BP and heart problems. Those are avoiding this retention better. Simply do inhalation and hold a couple of seconds and exhale. That is good. The next is the pranayama, Bhramari pranayama, humming bee sound pranayama. For this one we can use our index finger and put it in the ear slightly, not push more, slightly, because we never hear the sound, outside sound, and keep the fingers inside and deeply inhale, and the exhalation time you can produce makara sound like this. Inhale, like this. This pranayama given a slight vibrations in your brain, especially your neurons. It will helps to increase your faculty level, and also it give a confidence. Then the last pranayama is Shitali pranayama. For practicing Shitali pranayama, adopt the mudra, any mudra. Chin mudra is best. Then you can pull your tongue out and make it as a tube, and inhale through the mouth, through the tongue, and exhale through the nostril. That times when your concentration is, you can focus on the heart region or the chest region, definitely you can feel a cool effect on your chest and heart. This is very good for the removing stress and very beneficial for those are suffering heart problems.